Have you ever wondered if an indoor grill could truly match the flavor, sear, and satisfaction of outdoor cooking without the smoke, unpredictable weather, or bulky equipment? The truth is, the best indoor grills available today have evolved so much that they can deliver restaurant-quality results right on your countertop. In this video, we're going to explore some of the best-rated indoor grill options and break down exactly what makes each one special. By the end, you'll know exactly which model fits your cooking style and space. And remember, links to the current prices for each product are in the description box below, so you can check them out anytime. Let's start with the NutriChef Indoor Smokeless Grill, a model that's all about giving you the authentic grill experience without the smoke or mess. The moment you place a marinated steak or fillet of salmon on its nonstick surface, you'll hear that satisfying sizzle as the heat makes instant contact. The advanced smoke extraction system quietly hums in the background, pulling away any smoke before it can drift into your kitchen. The tempered glass lid traps the aromas inside, letting you watch your food transform while keeping splatter contained. It's the kind of indoor cooking grill that makes year-round grilling a reality. You'll notice how the cooking surface heats evenly from edge to edge, so whether you're searing chicken breasts in the center or grilling vegetables along the sides, everything cooks at the same pace. The non-stick coating means you can use less oil, and when you lift your food, it slides off with ease, leaving behind only faint traces of caramelization. Imagine serving a plate where every piece looks exactly the same: golden, tender, and perfectly grilled. What would you cook first? Something quick and simple, or a slow, flavor-packed meal? The generous grill plate size means you can cook multiple portions at once, perfect for family dinners or when friends drop by. And because the plate is removable, you can take it straight to the sink for easy cleaning. No scrubbing for ages, just a quick rinse or wipe. That means you can go from cooking to eating without a long cleanup in between. When you use the NutriChef Indoor Smokeless Grill, you can expect tender, evenly cooked food with those picture-perfect grill marks and none of the smoke-filled chaos. It's compact enough to fit comfortably on most countertops, yet powerful enough to deliver the deep, savory flavors you associate with outdoor grilling. For apartment living or year-round use, it's a dependable, fuss-free way to bring the joy of grilling indoors, and a solid choice if you're looking for one of the best electric indoor grills. Now, moving on to the Wolfgang Puck XL Reversible Grill Griddle, you're stepping into the world of true versatility. Imagine waking up on a Saturday morning and flipping the plate to the smooth griddle side, pouring pancake batter, and hearing the gentle hiss as it spreads across the hot surface. Later that same day, you can flip it back to the ridge grill plate, lay down marinated chicken thighs, and hear that sharp, satisfying sizzle that signals flavor in the making. Which side do you think you'd use more, the griddle for breakfast or the grill for dinners? The XL size means you're never cramped for space. You can cook 6 burgers at once, or keep bacon sizzling on one side while frying eggs on the other. The heat is consistent across the entire plate, so every bite tastes just as good as the last. You'll notice there's no need to shuffle food around to chase hot spots. Everything cooks evenly, making it easier to time your dishes perfectly. For anyone looking for the best indoor grill for burgers, this size and heat consistency make it a serious option. The temperature control is a tactile dial that gives you full command over your heat. Turn it up for a deep sear that locks in juices, or keep it low for delicate crepes or grilled sandwiches. The unit holds its heat beautifully, so you can cook multiple batches without waiting for it to recover. Can you see yourself hosting a brunch with this, flipping pancakes while sausages sizzle beside them? Cleanup is refreshingly easy. The plates lift straight out and can be placed in the dishwasher, while the drip tray quietly collects excess grease. You'll appreciate how the design keeps your countertop tidy, even after cooking a full meal. When you use the Wolfgang Puck XL Reversible Grill Griddle, you're getting 2 high-performance cooking tools in one. It's perfect for anyone who loves variety in their cooking. Breakfasts, lunches, dinners, and everything in between, while still wanting that unmistakable grilled flavor and texture. Next, let's turn to the Ninja Foodi Grill AG301, a compact yet incredibly capable appliance that goes far beyond grilling. Picture placing a thick ribeye on the high-density grill grate and hearing the sharp crackle as the cyclonic grilling technology surrounds it with superheated air. In minutes, the outside develops a gorgeous crust, while the inside stays tender and juicy. What's the first thing you'd want to try in this? Steak, fish, or maybe some grilled veggies? The grill grate is designed to leave deep restaurant-style marks that not only look impressive, but also enhance flavor through caramelization. You'll appreciate how quickly it heats up. No long preheat time, so you can go from prep to cooking almost instantly. The wide temperature range lets you roast vegetables at a gentle heat one moment and sear tuna steaks at high heat the next. The air crisp function is a treat for anyone who loves texture. Toss in a batch of seasoned potato wedges and they emerge golden and crisp without the heavy feel of deep frying. The dehydrate function is equally satisfying, slowly transforming fresh fruit into chewy, concentrated snacks that fill your kitchen with a sweet aroma. Have you ever tried making your own jerky or dried pineapple? This makes it easy. Cleanup is straightforward with a non-stick grill grate, crisper basket, and cooking pot that all lift out and wash easily, either by hand or in the dishwasher. The splatter shield keeps the heating element clean, so you spend less time on maintenance. When you cook with the Ninja Foodi Grill AG 301, you can expect fast, flavorful results with minimal effort. It's like having a grill, air fryer, and oven all in one compact, countertop-friendly package, making it a standout in the best electric indoor grills category. Now, moving on to the T-Fal OptiGrill, you're entering the realm of intelligent cooking. Imagine placing a cold, thick steak on the grill, closing the lid, and letting the automatic sensor quietly determine its thickness. The grill adjusts the heat and cooking time for you, while the indicator light slowly changes from yellow to orange to red, signaling exactly when it's reached your preferred doneness. Would you go for rare, medium, or well done? The 9 preset programs make it easy to get consistent results with burgers, poultry, sandwiches, sausages, red meat, and fish. You can hear the gentle hiss as the plates make contact, sealing in juices while the non-stick surface ensures nothing sticks. The frozen food mode is a lifesaver. Pop in frozen chicken breasts, and the grill handles the defrosting and cooking in one seamless process. The plates are made from die-cast aluminum for durability and even heating. They lift out easily and can go straight into the dishwasher, making cleanup as painless as possible. The stainless steel exterior feels cool and solid under your hands, and the ergonomic handle gives you a secure grip when opening and closing the lid. You'll love how the OptiGrill takes away the guesswork. There's no need to cut into your meat to check doneness. The visual cues and automatic adjustments mean you can trust it to deliver exactly what you want every time. For burger lovers, this could easily be the best indoor grill for hamburgers thanks to its precision cooking. When you use the T-Fal OptiGrill, you can expect precision cooking with minimal effort. It's a smart solution for anyone who values consistency and convenience without sacrificing flavor or texture. Finally, we come to the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill, which takes indoor grilling to the next level with its size, precision, and versatility. The moment you lay a row of steaks across its extra-large grill grate, you'll hear a chorus of sizzling as the cyclonic grilling technology envelops each piece in even, high heat. The built-in smart thermometer quietly monitors the internal temperature, allowing you to relax while it works toward your chosen doneness. What would you cook first on a grill this size? Steaks, seafood, or a mix of everything? With 6 cooking functions, grill, air crisp, roast, bake, broil, and dehydrate, you can move from crispy chicken wings to baked desserts without switching appliances. The high-density grill grate leaves bold, defined grill marks while locking in the natural juices of your food. The temperature control is precise and responsive, letting you adjust heat levels instantly. The grill reaches optimal cooking temperature quickly, so you're never left waiting. Even when the grate is fully loaded, the heat distribution remains consistent from edge to edge. Cleanup is simple thanks to the dishwasher-safe grill grate, crisper basket, and cooking pot. The splatter shield keeps the interior tidy, so the grill is always ready for its next use. When you use the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill, you can expect professional-level results without stepping outside. It's a powerful, versatile appliance that makes it possible to enjoy perfectly grilled food year-round, whether you're cooking for two or hosting a crowd. For many, this is the best indoor grill for combining capacity with precision. If you've been wondering whether an indoor grill can truly deliver the flavor and texture you crave, these models prove the answer is a definite yes. Each one offers unique features that cater to different cooking styles, from the smart precision of the T-Fal OptiGrill to the spacious versatility of the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill. No matter which you choose, you can expect consistent heat, easy cleanup, and the freedom to grill year-round without stepping outside. And don't forget, links to the current prices for each product are in the description box below, so you can explore them further and find the one that's perfect for you.